you will click on the Zoom link, and then it will tell you add Zoom to Chrome. You need to install from Chrome Web Store. And wait patiently. Then you will click add to Chrome. You will add app. It will download, ta-da! And then you can join any meeting. You can write your name. Please write your real name on things. So, yeah. Let's see. I'm holding my camera, so write your real name, your first name, and your last name. And then you can join. And then you'll wait for me to let you in. Oh boy.